We're going to be talking about how to get trendy topics to be able to blow up your YouTube channel or go viral on your YouTube channel. I see a whole lot of content creators complain that they don't know the kind of videos in which they should make. They don't know the kind of audience they want to reach out to. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can be able to get content ideas, get what is actually trending and a whole lot, so that you can be able to get content and not lack content at all. So without further ado, let's dive into today's video. So now what people actually don't know is the fact that YouTube makes it easier for anyone to be able to get content, get the kind of videos in which you want to make. And sometimes when I go through my FYP, I discover that most times some of these videos that has been done for like 5 years, some of these videos keep popping up on my For You page, either on my YouTube shorts or my YouTube videos. You will see that some old videos are still doing well even till date, and that's a sign that you need to do what? Give those kind of videos a try. You can be able to do what? Some of the things which you can do is the fact that you can be able to redefine the video. If it is 5 years ago, there's a whole lot of changes in YouTube and a whole lot. So you can be able to do what? Redefine this video to suit the present date in which we are into. So some of the things in which you need to do is what I'm going to be showing you on this video. Now, one of the first things in which you want to do to be able to get good topics that are actually doing well and trending, for you to be able to tap into this trendy and viral content, is for you to do what? Come to your YouTube studio and do some of these things which I'm going to be showing you.
So now once you come to your YouTube channel, you come to this other part, which is the analytics on your YouTube channel. This is where I'm going to be showing you these latest updates that YouTube has actually done on this thing, for it to be able to be easier for you to be able to get content, trendy content, and some new AI stuff that is going to help your channel to grow very fast. Once you come to trends, you get to get new ideas for your next videos. There's a whole lot of videos in which you are seeing here, and you can see trends. All these videos are videos that are attached to your channel that has the same topics with the kind of videos in which you are doing on your channel. You can be able to watch some of these videos or look at these videos, look at the ones that are doing well, select, look at the videos, do 1 or 2 addition, or you can just pick ideas from this place. And this is a new update on YouTube. There's a particular part in which I'm going to be showing you. They are also going to help you to get some new content ideas if, let's say, you don't know ways or what to do. Now, these are trendy videos, trending topics, which you can just look at these, and this is different from everyone depending on what your channel is all about. Now, once you come to explore, which is ideas, you can come to let's brainstorm. You can type the kind of topics in which you want to talk on your video, or the kind of videos in which you're thinking of doing. In this place, I typed some of the things in which I want to do, and it brought me some ideas. And you can save some of these ideas for your future videos, and it stays on your channel just in case if you want to do a video in the next future. So now I click out to get more views, and you can see it will give me some ideas in which I can use, and these ideas can be saved. You can see what it brought, analyzing top trending videos for growth. Now, once you come to this place, you're going to see some of the videos, some of the ideas in which is going to brainstorm to give you. So you really don't need vidIQ or some of these apps to be able to, these AI apps to be able to brainstorm, get ideas and all that. You can see what is bringing. It's showing me outline and some of the things in which I need to do to be able to get trending topics for my YouTube growth, which is what this channel is all about. This new update on YouTube is really going to help a whole lot of new content creators, small content creators, to be able to do well, if only they can be able to tap into these opportunities that is really available for most content creators. It generates topics like and titles for you to be able to use on how to do some of these things on your YouTube videos. So this particular AI stuff is very good for your YouTube growth, or to be able to get trending topics to be able to blow up your YouTube channel. So you can go and watch this on your channel and give it a try. The kind of video that pops up on my own channel might quite be different from every other people, because it all depends on the kind of niche or the kind of topics in which your YouTube channel is all about. So it's going to bring popular videos and trending videos for your YouTube growth.
So after getting these topics, you just need to do what? You can either use a chat GPT, or you can just once you watch some of these videos, you get to see what are the kind of things in which they talked about in this video. You can be able to apply some of these things and do some addition and subtraction to these videos in which you might have watched. And all you just need to do is to make the video your own. Talk about this video as if it's something in which you have come across, and sometimes it's better experience than explain. When you've experienced something, when let's say you're making a kind of videos, you can also make videos that contain some of the experiences, some of the things in which you have come across on YouTube, some of the things that have happened to your YouTube growth or your YouTube channel. These are some of the things in which you are going to do. All these things applies to everyone. And one thing you need to know about YouTube is the fact that there is every topics have an audience, every niche have an audience. So you don't need to look at that this particular niche or this particular topic is not trending, people are not talking about these things. You just need to do what makes the kind of video in which you want. So now these trendy videos, sometimes at the time it might not be trending at that moment, but at times it will just start trending. And I know some people might have come across these things in their YouTube channel. At times there are some videos in which you make like 6 months ago and that, or 1 year. You see that at the moment in which you made those videos were actually not doing well, but after some time you just discover that these videos start picking up, start pushing in views and a whole lot. That is YouTube. At times you may make a particular videos, and that's the reason why you see some of these 5 years videos that were not doing well, then they start doing well, because those at the moment, those are the kind of topics in which people are actually searching. So this is actually ways in which you can be able to get topics for your YouTube channel, and some of these topics are trending topics, and they can easily help your YouTube channel to blow up, to get more views, more subscribers. And for the new YouTubers or upcoming YouTubers, it will also help you to be able to understand how YouTube works and to be able to get your watch hour, which is most importantly, before you can now start making money on YouTube. So these trendy topics help your YouTube channel to grow very fast, because you tap into what people are looking for, and with that you'll be able to get more views. And if you don't take advantage of trendy topics or viral topics, at times you might not be able to get what you're looking for, most especially your subscriber counts and your watch hours. So trending topics helps your YouTube channel to grow, to get more reach, and to be able to meet new audience on YouTube. So thank you for watching. If you find this video interesting, make sure to give it a like, share, and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Have a blessed day.